If you want to scan with Evernote, especially on desktop, there's one important thing to know right away. Evernote Desktop does not have a built-in document scanner. That's because most desktop computers don't have cameras or scanning hardware built in. So instead of scanning directly inside Evernote on your computer, you'll usually import a scanned file, or use your phone to scan and sync it into Evernote. In this video, I'll show you both methods in a simple step-by-step way. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's get into it. The first and most common method is to scan your document using a physical scanner or another scanning app. Once your document has been scanned, save it to your computer as either a PDF or an image file. This is important because Evernote works really well with both file types when you want to store documents inside a note. After that, open Evernote on your desktop and either create a new note or open an existing one where you want the scan to go. Now you have two easy ways to add the file. You can drag and drop the scanned PDF or image straight into the note, which is usually the fastest option. Or, if you prefer using the menu, click Insert, then choose Attachment, and select the scanned file from your computer. Once you add it, Evernote will save the scanned document inside the note, so it's organized and easy to find later. This is a great option if you already scanned something on another device and just want to keep everything in one place inside Evernote. Now let's look at the second method, which is often the easiest for everyday use. If you have the Evernote mobile app, you can scan documents directly with your phone. Open the app, use the scan feature, and capture your document. Evernote will process it and store it in your account. Then, because your notes sync across devices, you can open Evernote on your desktop and see the scan there too. This is especially useful if you don't have a separate scanner and just want to quickly save receipts, forms, handwritten notes, or paperwork while you're away from your computer. A helpful tip here is to make sure you're signed into the same Evernote account on both your phone and desktop. That way, your scans sync properly and appear everywhere you need them. It's also a good idea to name your notes clearly and organize them into notebooks so you can find your scanned documents later without searching through everything manually. So to recap, if you're on Evernote Desktop, you won't scan directly inside the app. Instead, you either import a scanned PDF or image into a note, or you scan with the Evernote mobile app and let it sync to your desktop. Both methods are simple, and once you do them a couple of times, they become second nature. If you found this useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Evernote tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.